Raindrops keep falling on my head. You see that weather out there? Well, no need to skip your workout. It's the rainy day workout. Will you join me? All you need is a set of dumbbells and your body. We're not even going on the floor today because look at all the rain out here. Okay, so set your umbrellas to the side, set your dumbbells to the side for now because we need to warm it up. Start your watches if you're keeping track, and let's get started with our standing warm-up. Here we go. Alternating front kick. There's one. And two. A little rain's not going to stop us. 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7. It's going to be a quick one today. 8. Just get through it. 9, 10, and get in and get dry. Okay, knee open, close. There's 1. You can have your foot on the ground. 2, or up. 3, it's up to you. 4, but let's get warm. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side to side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kick it out again. 1, getting warmed up in a hurry. 2, I want to get out of this rain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, knee open, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, side bends. Last time. We've got to warm this up. 1, we've got our lateral bends with our dumbbells later. 2, we want to be ready. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ta-da! Okay, I'm going to actually set my dumbbells out of the way even more because we start with walking lunge today. And it's not just any walking lunge. We've got to clear those mud puddles, okay? So I'm going to be walking towards you and around in a little box pattern, but you could be going all the way down, all the way back, or if you don't have a lot of room, alternating front lunge is just fine. So let's take a big step over the mud puddle and the other side. There is 1. Okay, and turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good, and 10. I think I lost count a little bit there. Okay, so next grab your dumbbells. We're doing our bent over reverse fly, and we're going to do both arms together. So back is really nice and flat, flat and straight. Dumbbells come out and together. There's 1. So we're going out and in. 2. Good. 3, 4. Make sure you can see my hands. 5. Good. Yep. 6. Looking at the floor in front of you. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And nice and tall. Good. Dumbbells go down. Tree to star. Okay, here we go. Whew, I'm getting all sweaty underneath this guy, okay? But it doesn't matter. We're all rainy, wet anyway. Okay, so tree to star. Your toe can be down or the foot can be up. We're going to reach out to the side and bring it in. There's 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1. 2. My tree almost fell over. 3. I guess that was my star. 4. Falling star. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And grab your dumbbells. Alternating front scoops. Scoop it to the front, scoop it to the front. There's 1. So this is underhand, and 2. Arms come parallel to the ground. And 3, not a bicep curl. There's 4, although the elbow can be slightly bent. 5, as long as it stays a little bent. 6, good. 7, 8, 9, and 10, and keep them in your hands. Let's go side to side bend now with weight. Good, side to side. There's 1. Good. 2, stretch it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then let's bring these dumbbells up. Last move, and then we'll have a little water break. Not like we need it today. Overhead press. 1, alternating sides. 2, 3, 4. Good work, guys. 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, dumbbells down. Grab your water. Have a quick drink. Okay, we're going to do this again. Starting with our walking lunge. Find your runway. Here we go. One side and then the other. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, grab those dumbbells. Reverse fly. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Dumbbells down. Tree to star. Here we go. Whew. Heart rate's coming up. There's 1. That's what we want. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Scoop up those dumbbells for our alternating front scoops. Scoop it right, scoop it left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, side. There's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And dumbbells up, overhead press. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ta-da! Wonderful. I told you that was going to go quick. If that was a little too quick for your taste, you can always do it again, and you can also do any other moves that you'd like. But we're going to do a quick stretch now so that we can get out of the rain. Okay, so let's get started with our front and back lunge. So press that back heel down. Well done, you guys. Very nice. So we're pressing our back heel down. My right leg is back. I'm going to take my right arm up and over. Get a good hip flexor stretch. Still trying to hold for at least 15 seconds here on all of our stretches. If you rush through your stretches too much, let's switch to the other side. If you rush through stretches too much, then you're not going to actually get into the stretch because you need time for those muscles to unwind. Okay, so left leg is back, pressing that heel down. Good work, guys. That's fun. You can literally do this standing up anywhere, right? So you don't need to have space to lay down, and you don't need to do a huge long workout to get a good benefit, especially if you're short on time. So these quick ones are just as effective to keep your habit going, and they're just as fun as our biggies. Okay, so nice and tall. Left arm is up. All right, figure 4, so cross one foot over your opposite knee, settle into the balance here, settle into the stretch. Can you see through this poncho? Yeah, what I'm doing. Figure 4 stretch. Obviously sitting down, that's totally fine. Hold on to something if you need to. Good, other side. Okay, quad stretch. And switch. And shoulder cross. Other side. Over tricep. And other side. Open the chest, hands behind you. Look up to this rainy day sky. Look at all those clouds. That's okay. We need to water the plants too. It makes it easier when Mother Nature takes care of it for us. Big breath in and exhale. And there we go. Thank you so much for working out with me. A rainy day is not going to be a good excuse for our workout to be missed. Instead, we just get the job done. So Thank you once again, and I can't wait to work out with you again. In the meantime, keep it fun, safe, and effective, taking care of yourself and your family, and I will see you very soon. Aloha.